Alan Shore talks about the right brain implicit self, right? Implicit meaning the right brain nonverbal self has a very different way of experiencing the world than the left brain explicit verbal self. And what aids in that is that the two sides of the brain talk to each other. We have communication between the two via this structure, which in the picture is a chasm. It's actually a long, thin structure in the brain called the corpus callosum. But interestingly enough, the corpus callosum does not mature until we're over 12. So while we're growing up, each brain grows separately, which is why, if you've noticed, if you've been around little children, how they can go from rational to hysterical in a nanosecond.